If I snore, I sleep well, and everybody talks to you and tells you that I got a good sleep, I was snoring very well. But you have to understand, snoring is not good. And specifically, if the snoring is loud enough to disturb your partner, then it could be concerning. If your partner has seen you choking at night or losing your breath at night, you get up in the morning unrefreshed. You have a tendency to fall asleep during the day or dozing off while driving on the wheel. So, possibly you are suffering from a problem called sleep apnea. So, loud snoring, choking, daytime sleepiness, these kind of things should never be ignored. Check with your doctor that could you be suffering from sleep disorder breathing, or to be more precise, obstructive sleep apnea, where you need a sleep study.